I'm getting nothing for that, so when I get enough subscribers, they'll pay me. G'day guys, quick update from the workshop here at Bendigo Hydroblasting. Chris from the Hagen factory's been and collected those 1947 Triumph engine parts that I blasted in the last video, and he's dropped in the cylinder head for that. It's the 1947 and it's a square head Triumph cylinder head. I'll give you a look at the cylinder head and then we'll do a quick blast job on it and give you a look at it when it's done. There it is, 1947 square head Triumph cylinder. Very rare, that thing, I believe. Chris has looked after me here. He's had that soaking in a Kero bath for a few days, and he's cleaned all the bloody grime and stuff off it that he can, given it a brush. So that's going to make it really easy for me to clean. Okay, we'll pop that in the booth and give you a look at that when it's done. I'll just flip it upside down first. There we go. There's a look at the underside. Here's the head in the cabinet. Let's fire up this beast and take that cylinder head back in time 76 years. Well, I've just turned off the machine to give you guys a quick half and half comparison. That's looking alright, isn't it? Bit of carbon build up in there. I'll scratch that off and blast that before I'm finished, but you wouldn't even know those exhaust ports were brass. Anyhow, that gives you a look at the combustion chambers before and after. We'll shut the door and finish this job and give you a look at it when it's done. Boom shanker. Oh, look at that baby. Yeah, it's about an hour's work in that. There was a fair bit of shit down inside these fins, so it took a bit longer than I would have liked, but them's the brakes. I'll flip that over, give you a look at the underside. Always feel a bit like Marty McFly when I've pulled stuff out of that machine. Anyhow, I'm sure you'd agree with me, that looks a hell of a lot better than it used to. Well, that's my part done in the rebuild of the top end of the 1947 Triumph 500. Hope you enjoyed what you've seen and got something from this. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel. You've probably seen YouTube have been playing ads on my channel and I'm getting nothing for that, so when I get enough subscribers, they'll pay me. Anyhow, thanks for watching and I'll catch you next time.